So right everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the simplicity system designed by Uncle P. I've been using this system for the past couple months and I'm not going to lie, I really enjoy using this system, especially if you don't have time to do technical analysis and go through charts. The way this system operates is it's called simplicity, so it tries to make it very simple for you to trade. And if you're a trader new to trading and you're struggling with reading candlesticks, picking up trend lines, I'm not gonna lie, the way this system is built, it is made pretty simple for you to help you take trades, get into trades, when to put your stop loss, take profit, all that. The system is made very easy for you to do all those stuff. So here, I'm just going to show you trades that I've got into from today. So GPP Chef, I never trade this pair when I'm doing technical analysis. But when I'm using simplicity, I would trade this pair because it picks up very good trades for me when I use this system. So it helps me to get in and out of the market when I use GPP Chef. Because if you know, chef pairs are very, very choppy. And I don't really like trading chef pairs. But GPP Chef, as you can see, it's a winning trade. I'm 15 pips in profit. This is the small account. I'm playing with around £800 here. So I'm putting on like 30p, 40p lot sizes. Been doing it for the past couple months, trying to get used to the system. Another trade again we'll look at is GPP JPY. Another great entry the system's found for me to get on, as you can see. Well, got in my when I went into 20 pips. How I trade is basically once my trade goes into 20 pips profit, I move my stop loss to break even. And as you can see, it got me in right here. Market fell down around 20 pips. Move my stop loss to break even, and look, here we go. I'm 12 pips in profit. This is a free trade. I cannot lose on this trade. Only way I'm going to lose is by break even, or I'm either going to take this trade for a win. And you can see there's my stop losses there. That literally I'm aiming for, I think, how much was I aiming for in this? Let me just double check. Yeah, 73 pips. Literally in love with this system. Another trade I put in today by using this system, Euro JPY. And yet again, got in from around up here. And look, I'm around 26 pips in profit. So people, I'm just saying, if you're struggling with trading, give the system a go. I'm going to be doing regular videos on using this system. I don't know Uncle P, never met him. I've been to a few of his classes and I haven't been paid to do this video. You can see, follow me on Instagram. I have no ties to Uncle P. It's just me. I see a lot of people giving the system bad reviews, good reviews, but this is my honest opinion on using the system. If you're struggling with trading, following simple rules, you will win trades. I've lost a few trades. Don't get me wrong, the system is not 100% perfect, but I have lost a few trades. Last month or so, last 2 weeks, every alert that came on the system to get in a trade, I was losing. But with simple rules, simple guidance, and don't break your rules, you should be able to become a profitable and a consistent trader by using this system. I love it. So in this description, I'm going to leave you my URL code if you want to purchase this system. If you purchase it through my URL code, then I'll give you free one-to-one lesson how to use the system. I'll teach you my strategy, what I use, all of that stuff. And yeah, man, I just want everyone to trade, to win together, and that's it. So people, that's it. My review on the simplicity system, and I'll see you next time.